Hi, this is Denise in Holland, and it's a beautiful day. We're going to grill outside. So tonight we're having beef teriyaki skewers. We're going to have some grilled romaine and some grilled asparagus. So great dinner tonight. So I have my beef all cut up. I have my skewers that have been soaking, and we're going to make our glaze. So very easy. We're going to start with some brown sugar, and to that we're going to add sesame oil. Oh, it smells so good. And the ginger honey, which is a balsamic, white balsamic. So we're going to add those to that, and then we're just going to mix until all the sugar gets dissolved. There. And as you can see, this is going to be our glaze that I'm going to baste on our skewers as we grill them. So the next thing I have to do is I'm going to slice up my cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to cut up some mushrooms. I'm going to add them to the meat, and then we're going to drizzle some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to put my skewers together.
So drizzling olive oil into all of the meat and the tomatoes and the mushrooms. I'm going to do some salt and pepper in there, and then just combine that all up and make my skewers.
And I even made two for our daughter who is quarantining with us that doesn't like red meat. Okay, I also have cut up our romaine and got my asparagus already. That's ready to go on the grill. I'm just going to drizzle it with a little more extra virgin olive oil on there, and then a little more salt and pepper. Everything is ready to go on the grill. Full disclosure here, our grill was not big enough to hold everything, so the asparagus ended up in a pan. So here we go, it's right off the grill and we're ready for dinner.